Exercise number 56 and 57. Recently, we wrote to you and stated that unless we received your check by 16th February, we should have to ask our lawyer to take steps to force you to pay the bill you owe us. Full stop. Unfortunately, you have not answered our note, and now we must inform you that we have asked our lawyer to go ahead and follow the usual methods to make you pay. Full stop. We are exceedingly sorry to have to do so, but, evidently this is the only way in which we can secure our money. Full stop. We recently feel that we have acted quite fairly with you, and as we have said, this seems to be the only thing left for us to do. Full stop. If you mail your check without the slightest delay, you can avoid heavy costs, and we advise you to do so as soon as you receive this. Full stop. Para. I think that the way in which we store goods at the factory is not altogether satisfactory. Full stop. It seems to me that the fire insurance rates are now quite high, and I feel that with some change in the store rooms, reduced rates might be expected. Full stop. I should like you to inspect the rooms as soon as possible, and if, as a result of your inspection, you think that our methods with respect to the strange of storage of goods are unsatisfactory, I wish you would suggest any change which could be put into effect. Full stop. I wish you would let me have the different insurance policies now in force, comma, together with the details of the scale on which the insurance rates are based, comma, so that I can make an analysis of the annual cost and close.